Hi guys, welcome to the channel. We're here in the Cotswolds lavender farm. Let's go and have a look round. There are many different varieties of lavender. Of course, the most common is purple, but we also have a white lavender as well. Such a deep colour in the beautiful countryside of the Cotswolds here. Wonderful symmetry of the lines of lavender, the way they planted it. So we're coming today from the Cotswolds in England, and we're at the Cotswolds lavender farm. They got an array of different lavenders here and wildflowers. And there's people picnicking, having their lunch. Plenty of vibrant lavenders. Cotswolds lavender farm. Beautiful. Absolutely rows and rows of lavender, which will be ready at the end of the month for harvesting. Yep. So thanks for watching today, guys. Our S&B Diaries trip here at the Cotswold lavender farm. It's sure been a grey cloudy day, but it stayed dry, so that's good. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now, guys.